Okay guys, just been looking at Aussie USD for the guys in the squad. As you can see, we're working our way down through it now. Just about to put in the market updates, what I'm looking at. The video is already there. So let me do that now, so they can watch the video and see what's going on. However, what I like to do as well is just update where I'm up to. So what we can see here is I'm looking to buy it, but for 3 pips, and it's not great. Okay, it's not great at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to follow the candles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Top of this candle here, just going to put a quick order in for a £5 just above there, and it's going to be about 15 quid. Right, it's not going to be the greatest trade in the world because the market is starting to run out of steam. Now I'll explain that in just a second. Okay, so let me adjust this. So we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's kind of at the top of the section now. So I'm going to put that to the top of that candle. So that's where it is. So that has to burst through. It's a scalping trade. So therefore, I'm not going to go mental. Now, what's the scalp all about? Well, let me kind of show you. It's just dropped into order now. When I'm looking at this, I look at various things, and one thing I look at is the ATR. Now I've just adjusted the ATR, and it's actually down to 47. All right, so ideally you want a minimum target of about 5, but what we're seeing is, let me show you. Drop this out to the hour. This has been on a merry run. And the best it's going to get to is maybe the tops of this section here. Up there at a push. Now, I trade conservatively. And because of that, I'll just want to get in and get out. So it's only offered 3 pips based on its current ATR if I'm scalping it. Well, if that's the case, that means I'm looking for it to run to the top of here, which is the crescent of that. And I'm allowing it a little bit for the spread, because the spread on these things can sometimes catch you out when you're scalping. Now, okay, the spread isn't bad. It's 0.6. But on a small ATR, that's quite a distance on here. But genuinely, it's pushing up. It is running to exhaustion. So therefore, I just want to be in and out relatively quick. Take the 15 quid for the next 10, 15 minutes, whatever it is. And I'll be quite happy. So it shouldn't take too long, or at least I hope it won't take too long. But we'll see. So let's play it out. Okay guys, there you go. There's your quick scalp for 15 quid. Just there. make certain I've got no tickets left and nothing's running. That was quite an easy trade. It was worked out to what I needed to achieve. Looked for an optimum entry, but then not being greedy. And that's what trading is all about. You know, it's not difficult. Everything we do should be in the planning. Now, I'm a targeted trader. Scalping, I'll just take what the market is willing to give me at the time. And that's it. Get in, get out, get paid. Now, you do that a couple of times a day, you'll be fine. Now, on a day like this, you do it twice, all right, you're only going to get about 30 quid or something like that. But it's 30 quid more than you had. And all these £30 add up. And that's the way it is. So we're coming to the end of the decorating in here. Should have my office back together next week. And then back to normal next week, because it's been a bit lackadaisy this week. But like everything else in life, you know, plan it, work it, and complete it. Anyway, there you go, Sparks. That was for you. Catch you soon.